Hi friends, hi my loving audience. So today I will be talking about a beautiful story between a journalist and Bill Gates. You will enjoy, you will love this story because when I heard about it, I just blown my mind. Means how a big people think. So journalist, what she did, she was very much crazy to know about the secret to success, how Bill Gates has achieved this position, and why a lot of entrepreneurs are failing to reach their level, even half of the level where Bill Gates is right now. Right, he is every year on year, he is achieving the great heights. So what is the secret? Just tell me once. Just the journalist came and she was interviewing Bill Gates. So she just asked, means, can you tell me quickly what is the secret of your success? How have you achieved such a bigger heights in life, and why so many people are struggling? Then what Bill Gates did, he just smiled. What he did after that, he picked out a checkbook, and then he has signed one checkbook, and then he has just given to her and tell, means, how much money you want, just write it down. The journalist was thinking like, why he's giving me a checkbook and writing, telling me, means, what amount you want. So she was feeling very discomfort. She told like, no, I don't need that. You just keep it with yourself. I just wanted to know your secret to success. Then what he did, he just slowly put that checkbook with that check, and then he put inside his pocket. He told like, this thing I don't do. You understood that thing? I always take the opportunity which is presented in front of me. I just don't lose out on any opportunity. Then journalist thought, she was in very deep thinking, and she was thinking like, why I lose this opportunity? I could have earned in millions in just few seconds. Then Bill Gates told, this is the secret of my success. There are a lot of people, 95% people, they do a lot of thinking. They just think a lot. They don't know, means, what opportunities are coming in front of them, what people are giving to them, how opportunities knocks your door. People are not thinking about that. People are thinking that what others will think if I take this opportunity, what society will think of me, what others will imagine in their minds, and if my relatives break connections with me, if something happens, lot of things are going on in their mind, and then people take wrong decisions at that point of time. Then Bill gets told, we need to be very much simple. We should not think so much. Believe me, if you are thinking very much, then you will not make right decisions. Right decisions comes in the instinct. Okay, whatever the first thought it's coming into your mind regarding a product or regarding service or regarding anything or any decisions you are taking, it should come in an instinct, and that instinct, it should take action upon it, because your mind, your subconscious mind, can remember something only for 24 hours. If you don't take action within 24 hours, your mind will forget, and your mind will find out hundreds of excuses why not to do that thing. You understanding? So you have to take action whenever opportunity knocks your door, because opportunity seldom knocks your door, and when it knocks, you should understand, and you should have that wisdom to understand that this is opportunity which is for me, and I have to take this opportunity. Okay, so you have to sell over the experiences of wise people. You have to understand that you have to sail over the experiences of wise people. You don't have time to do a lot of mistakes. Life is only once. So understand other people and see what is the failure they are facing in their life, what are the big pillars of failures over which they have achieved success. Understand what failures they have achieved, and try not to repeat the same mistakes, because if you are repeating the same mistakes again and again and expecting different results, means you are mad. You are not working on yourself. You have to work upon yourself to improve yourself and increase your success rate. Improve 1% every day. Then only you will realize that what all things is mattering to me is coming in front of me. And you should have the patience. Patience is very much important. That only Bill Gates wanted to tell her or anybody. Through that interview, he was giving message to all the people out in the world, an audience, over a big entire audience. Bill Gates was giving a message, right? Don't lose out on any opportunity. If any good opportunity knocks your door, don't lose out on that, because if you lose it once, you will lose it for the entire life with that particular person, because that person who has given you the opportunity at that point of time, he will not give you the same opportunity again. Maybe with different person he can have that different opportunity, but with the same person you can't get that opportunity again. So you have to understand and implement it. That opportunity, you have to grab it, because if you have a guilt feeling, means after 5 years, 10 years down the line, if you will think like, if I would have taken that opportunity at that point of time, my life would have been different now. So that guilt feeling should not be there. That you all should not feel that guilt and take the action right now. Whatever the opportunity is coming in your way, take it, grab it, and just start implementing things. Because if you're just thinking and dreaming, nothing will happen. You have to implement all the things. You have to take action, and you have to implement all the things which is going in your mind. What you can do, just jot it down in your diary or any piece of paper. What you are having, just jot it down in points. What all things is going on in your mind, what is your dream, what you want to achieve in 5 years, 2 years, 1 year, 1 month, what all things is there. Just write it down on a piece of paper, and keep small habits. Atomic habits you should have. That is very much important. One must have an atomic habit, because you can't dream of achieving 10 lakhs per month or something big, and if you don't achieve it within 5 months or 6 months, you will feel demotivated. So what you can do, you can take small steps. You can keep in front of you short-term small goals and try to achieve it. Then again create a new goal, achieve it. Then create a new goal, then achieve it. And then if you slowly go in this path, and then you will just join the dots, then from past till here, you will get to know that here I am because of the short-term goals which I have made. And if you just connect all the short-term goals, then you will reach the one long-term goal. So this is a process, an entire process. Don't dream too much at the beginning. Okay, dream little small, and then don't end it, and then think big. After that, what is the next step? After that, what is the next step? What is the next goal? What should I have in my life, in the niche which you are working upon? So this is the way we should think. Okay, so if you follow this, you will surely see that you are achieving greater heights in life. So I hope you have understood something and you will implement in life. I have implemented, I got results, and I'm sure that you also will get the results. So thank you, and just tell me what all videos you need so that I can help you with it, because I love helping people. Thank you so much.